Hi guys, I'm back. This is Anna. Hope everyone is having a great Tuesday. Today is Fun Day Tuesday, and I'm glad to be back. I want to do a couple of card shares with you today to show you what I've been working on, maybe give you some inspiration. Well, I've got these Spectral Noir markers in front of me. These are the Tri-Blend markers that I purchased probably about 3 months ago, and I wanted to try them out, so I did. So let's get started and show you what I did with the Tri-Blend markers from Spectral Noir. This is the first card that I did. Back in, well, some years ago, I asked my subscribers to send me color images, well, images that I could color and put on my cards. So as I was unpacking my things in my new house, I came across some of the images. And this is the image that I picked out. It's from Simply Shantae here on YouTube. So I used my Spectral Noir markers to color up the image. And this is what it looks like. I didn't do anything to the inside. It's just blank. And I just colored the image up. I put a little bling in her hair right here. And this bow came from a craft book that I used to get from Joann's called Multi Bows. And this is it right here. And these are the bows that's, ooh, shake them down. These are the, see if I can get them. This is the bow die. So that's what I used. And just some random paper that I had on my table. I just cut the layers using my, let me get it out. I haven't gotten my Silhouette or Cricut Explorer together yet. So basically I'm using my e-bosser to make my cards. But these are the layering dies that I used. Hope you can see them. But this is how I do the layers and stuff on my cards. Okay, the next card is a card that I made from scratch, and I use this die here. It's a window die. I use this window die, and I couldn't find the other die that I used, but I used a grass flower die. I'm not sure who made it, but I'll show it to you on the card. Okay, this is the second card that I made, and I'm not sure where I got what die that I used to do the grass on here. But this is the window die that I just showed you, and it opens up. It opens up, and I couldn't think what to put in it, so I fussy cut some flowers, and I put some gold like butterflies in here, and the butterflies that I use is from Creative Times, and I don't know why I didn't pull that out. And just some random paper that I had on my desk. And the card base is made out of the 110-pound cardstock that we get from Joann's. And I just put a label on the back. But this is the second card that I made. And then I decided to go to some of the newer stuff. Now this card is from an Anna Griffin card kit. It's called Gentleman's Study. But in order to learn how to make this card, you would have to have the card kit, and you will go to her website and put your code in, and she will show you how to put this card together. But it's from the Gentleman's Study, and I haven't done the inside, but I'm going to do the inside because it's going to go to my cousin James. His birthday was on Saturday, I believe. I'm late, always late, but I'm gonna put something on the inside for him, and it just says happy birthday on the front. But this design came from Anna Griffin card kit called Gentleman's Study. The fourth card that I did is from a card kit from Anna Griffin, and it's called the Pop-Up Flower Card. And it's a card kit, and here it is right here. Well, the front is, this is the front. I'm not sure if I'm in view, but this is the front, and it comes with all the embellishments and everything, and everybody knows with Anna Griffin's kit, everything is in the box, so you don't even need to think twice about putting her cards together. But this is the flower pop-up card, and you open it up, and the person that receives it, I get to see all of your pretty flowers, how you have them in here. Let's pull this up a little bit. There we go. Okay. Okay, the last and final card. I really love this. This is a newer kit too from Anna Griffin. It's called Swivel and Pop. And I made this card for my mom's birthday. And I haven't been able to give it to her yet, but I will be. Her birthday is July 4th. And my mom was very ill. She was in the hospital for like 3 or 4 weeks. She had a stroke. And she just recently came home about 2 weeks ago. So I've been to see her, and every time I go to see her, I forget and leave the card here. But this is a card that was for my mom's birthday on July 4th. And I really love this card. It has a belly band, and this is from the Anna Griffin Swivel and Pop card making kit, and mostly all of the sentiments and everything in there is related to birthdays. So let's get the wow factor. So when you open it up, it swivels and pops. I got it upside down though. Okay. There we go. Let me get it right. Okay. So let's try this again. When you open up the card, the wow factor is swivel and pop. Get it in the frame. I love this card, guys. So, all of the pieces, the only thing that I added to the card is a little bling. And I'm going to have to get my, camera situated a little bit better. But, this is the way. Let me see if I can move this out. Let's get it together, because this is my favorite card. Let's see if I turn the light on, I'll get a little bit. Get it together. Okay. There we go. Okay. So when you open it up, you got the swivel and pop. There Okay, and what I did, the only thing I added that was not in the kit is the little bling here in the little lattice. I put a little bit of bling in there, and I put a flower here. All of the flowers came. The sentiment card is up here at the top. I don't know if you can see it, but I just decorated using the pieces that came out of her kit. Like I said, guys, be patient with me with my videos. I need to get my camera set because I see where it kind of like cut off some of my thing, but I'm sure I can get that fixed. Get my husband to fix it for me because I'm on my iPad. So we'll get that together. But this is my favorite card. I love the swivel and pop. I really do. You see, I'm in here playing. Well, guys, that's all that I have to share with you today. I hope everyone is having a great day and being safe. And I will be back with another video. Everyone have a blessed and great day. This is Anna. Please subscribe. Hit the notification button, leave a comment, or give me a thumbs up. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.